Hello guys! Welcome back na naman dito sa ating YouTube channel guys. So another day, another printing na naman tayo dito sa ating page guys. Dito sa ating channel. So yan yung ginawa natin ngayon. So second batch na pala to guys ng pagpagawa nila sa ating basketball jersey. Yan, nagustuhan nila yung quality natin, yung print, and then yung tailoring also. Nagustuhan nila kaya nagkaroon sila ng second batch for printing sa atin dito guys. So ito yung machine natin guys, full image of machine. And yung gamit na software natin dito is yung main top. Yan, so yan na yung quality nating printing sa ating printer. So yan guys, naka ano ito siya guys, naka high resolution, naka-victorize din yung mga ano niya, yung design. So quality talaga yung output natin dito guys for our clients. And here in our printing services, we are aiming for quality talaga yung output natin guys. So makita nyo guys, yan, sharp yung quality talaga guys. Yan yung quality ng ating printing dito. So I will post other video for the output nito guys. Pagkatapos natin ipatahi, so I will post video na tahi na din dito guys. So guys, if you have any question, kindly comment down below na lang sa ating video guys. And then if you'd like to know more about printing services and printing, yung pag-operate ng mga machine, especially Kuyi and Epson ng mga printer na maliit, mayroon na akong tutorial dito sa ating YouTube channel guys. Kindly proceed na lang dun sa ating tutorial. Mayroon akong tutorial dito sa YouTube natin guys. So guys, thank you very much for watching. This is Lad Support. I hope you always watch our video here in our channel. Bye guys, thank you very much for watching.